Good morning friends. Yesterday we are solving some problems related to the arithmetic progressions, and today we are going to solve some problems related to the sum of the nth terms of arithmetic progressions. So we are starts. Here is a question number 6 of exercise 5.3 is given that the first and last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? You see the question, the first and last term. The first term, it means A1. A1 is given. A1 is equal to, here this is equal to 17, and last term it means L. L is equal to 350. Of the AP is given, and the common difference, it means D is also given. D is equal to 9. Then you find that how many terms are there and their sum. It means you find the value of n. This is equal to what, and Sn is equal to what. So here first term is given, last term is given, and D is given. So first it is a necessary, then how you can find the value of n. So you apply the formula, nth term an. Nth term, it is also equal to the last term L. It is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here is the L. Last term is given. This is equal to 350. 350 is equal to A. Here is the first term is also given. This is the 17 plus n minus 1, and common difference is also given. This is equal to 9. Okay. Next, here is a 350 minus 17 is equal to n minus 1 into 9. You subtract 17 with 350, 10 minus 7, it is equal to 3. Here is a 4, 4 minus 1, this is equal to 3. So 333 is equal to n minus 1 into 9. 333 you divide with 9, so 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. 33 minus 27, it is equal to 6 and 3, so it is a 63. 9 7s are 63, so 37 is equal to n minus 1, so n is equal to 37 plus 1, this is equal to 38. So your first answer, n is equal to 38. Here n is equal to 38, your first answer. Second question is that you find the Sn. Sn means sum of the n terms. You apply the sum of the n terms. So this is the Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket A plus L. Because last term is given, so you apply the formula n by 2 bracket A plus L. So here n by 2. The value of n is equal to 38. So 38 divide by 2. First term A is given, it is a 17 plus last term L is also given, it is equal to 350. Here you multiply 2, 38, 9 2s are 38, so 19 into 7, 516 and 3. So 367. You multiply 367 with 19. So here is a 9 7s are 63. 6 is carried. 9 6s are 54. 54 6. It is equal to 60. 6 also carry. 9 3s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 6. It is equal to 33. Okay. Next, you multiply with 1. 1 7s are 7. 1 6s are 6. 1 3s are 3. Therefore, 3. Here is a 7. 6 3 9. And here is a 3 and 3 6. So this is equal to 6 9 7 3. So here in the questions, two things is asking. One is a n, so the value of n, this is equal to 38. This is the first answer. And second is the value of Sn. Sn, it is equal to 6973. So here we can apply both formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket a plus l, and nth terms L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So you apply this formula, you find the sum and n terms of the given series. Okay, I think all of you understand. So we are going to solve the next problem. Next problem, that question number 9. Here is a question number 9 is given. If the sum of the first 7 terms, first of the 7 terms means S7. S7 is given, that 49. Second condition, the sum of the 17 terms, it means S17, it is equal to 289. Then you find the sum of the first n terms. It means what is the formula Sn? Sn is equal to what? How you can find? So here I also apply the formula Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here is a is a first term and d is a common difference of the AP. So here is a S7. So n is equal to 7. S7 is equal to 7 by 2 bracket 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d. S7 is equal to 49. 49 is equal to 7 by 2 bracket 2a plus 7 minus 1, it is a 6d. 7 7s are 49. 7 is equal to 1 by 2. Here you take 2 is a common, so 2 a plus 2 3s are 6, 3d. 2 is cancelled by 2, so a plus 3d is equal to 7. This is the equation number first. You can see here we convert this into the form of a and d. So a plus 3d, this is equal to 7. Second condition, S17 is given. S17, it means S17 is equal to 17 by 2 bracket 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. Here the value of S17 is also given. It is a 289. So this is equal to 289 is equal to 17 by 2 bracket 2a plus 17 minus 1, it is a 16d. 17 17s are 289, because 289 it is a square of 17. So 17 is equal to 1 by 2 into, you take 2 is a common, so bracket a plus 8 2 is 16, so 8d. 2 is cancelled by 2, so a plus 8d, it is equal to 17. This is the equation number second. Here are the two equation. Equation number first is a plus 3d is equal to 7. Equation number second, a plus 8d is equal to 17. So first you solve the value of a and d by the equation 1 and 2. So I apply from equation 1 and 2. I take equation 1 and 2. So equation number 1, a plus 3d is equal to 7. Equation number second, a plus 8d is equal to 17. After subtraction, the sign will be changed. A is cancelled by a, 3d positive, 8d negative. So this is a minus 5d. Here is a 7 is positive, 17 is negative. So this is a minus 10. Minus is cancelled by minus. D is equal to 5 2s are 10. So D is equal to 2. The value of D, this is equal to 2. You put up the value of D in the equation number first. So from equation number first, here equation number first is a plus 3d, this is equal to 7. You put up the value of d, a plus 3 into 2 is equal to 7. So a is equal to 7 minus 6, and that is equal to 1. So the value of a, this is equal to 1. After that you find the value of Sn. So you apply the formula Sn here. Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here you put up the values of a and d. If I put up the values of a and d, so Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus the value of a. Here is the value of a, this is equal to 1. So you put up 1 in the place of a, and plus n minus 1, and the value of d, this is equal to 2. So here is a 2. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into, you take 2 is a common here, so 2 is common, another bracket 1 plus, here is a n minus 1. 2 is cancelled by 2, minus 1 cancelled by plus 1. So Sn is equal to n into n, and this is equal to n square. So Sn, this is equal to n square. So if this type of the series is given, then you just wanted to find the sum of the sum terms, as like second term, third term, fourth term, then you apply the formula Sn is equal to n square, and you solve the sum of the given series of these questions. Okay, I think all of you understand, and we are solving to the next problem related to this. Next question number here is given, question number 10. Question number 10 is given that here, so that a1, a2, an from an ap where an is defined as below, and also find the sum of the first 15 terms. First 15 terms, how given find? Here is a formula is given that an is equal to 3 plus 4n. So you find the sum of the 15 terms. Sn is equal to what? S15. 15 terms, it means S15. Here you see that an is given, so first we find the first term, a1. a1 is equal to, I put up n is equal to 1, so this is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1. So a1 is equal to 3, 4 1s are 4, plus 4, this is equal to 7. Then a2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. So a2 is equal to 3 plus 4 2s are 8. So a2 is equal to 11. Here first term is a 7, a1 is equal to 7 and a2 is equal to 11. After that we find the common difference. If we find the common difference, so d is equal to a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1, d is equal to, a2 means second term, this is a 11, a1 means first term, it is a 7. Therefore d is equal to 11 minus 7, this is equal to 4. After that you find the S15, because here is a d is equal to 4, a is equal to 7 and n is equal to 15, then you apply the formula Sn. So the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for the sum of the n terms of the given AP. Sn, it means S15 is equal to 15 by 2 bracket 2 into a. The value of a, it means first term a1, this is equal to 7. So 2 into 7 plus n minus 1, here the value of n is a 15 minus 1 and d. D means common difference, here d is equal to 4. So this is equal to 4. Next S15 is equal to 15 by 2 bracket 2 7s are 14 plus 15 minus 1, it is equal to 14, 14 4s are 56. Therefore S15 is equal to 15 by 2, 4 6 10, 5 1 6 1 7, this multiply divide by 2, this is a 35 2s are 70. So S15 is equal to 15 5s are 75, 7 carry, 15 3s are 45, 45 plus 7, it is equal to 52. So S15 is equal to 525. So you can solve the formula. First you find the a1, it means first term, it is equal to 7, second term a2, it is equal to 11. After that you find the value of S15, it means sum of the 15 terms. So this type of question is also given in the textbook. If you apply this formula and this method, then you can solve easily another questions. So we are going to ahead for the next question. You see, for the next question here, question number 12. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integer. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integer which is divisible by 6. Divisible by 6, it means this is a table of 6. So you count the table of 6. So this is 6, 12, 18, and how many? N is equal to 40. So here is a dot dot. Here you can see that the first term a is equal to 6, and common difference d is equal to second terms 12 minus 6, it is also equal to 6. Here is the n is given, this is a 40. So you apply the formula S40, it is equal to 40 by 2 bracket 2a, 2 into a is equal to 6 plus n minus 1, it means 40 minus 1 into d, common difference is also equal to 6. So this is 20 2s are 40, this is equal to 20, 2 6 are 12 plus 40 minus 1, it is a 39 into 6. So this is equal to 20 bracket 12 plus 6 9s are 54, 5 is carry, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 5, it is equal to 23. So next this is equal to 20 bracket 12. Here you add plus 12, 2 plus 4, it is a 6, 1 3 4, and this is a 2. Multiply with the 20, so this is a 0, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8 1 9, and 2 2s are 4. So S40, it means the sum of the first 40 term which is divisible by 6, it is called equal to S40 is equal to 4920. Okay, suppose that any other table is also given, as like the table of 8 is given divisible the number, first number which is divisible by 8. So you apply this formula and you solve the questions. Next question is that find the sum of the odd numbers between 1 to 50. First we are talking about the odd number and even number. What is the odd number and even number? The number which is divisible by 2, this is called as the even number, and the number which is not divisible by 2, these are called as the odd number. So question number 14. Here is the odd number, it means 1 3 5 7 dot dot 0 to 50, it means last number is 49. So here is a last term L is equal to 50, first term A is equal to 1, common difference D is equal to 3 minus 1, it is equal to 2. First you find the number of the term. Number of the term, it means n. You apply the formula L. L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So last term is given, this is a 49 is equal to A. A means first term, it is a 1 plus n minus 1. D means common difference, this is equal to 2. You put up the value of D. 49 minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. 49 minus 1, this is equal to 48 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. 2 divided by 48, it is equal to 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. 24 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to 24 plus 1, this is equal to 25. So here the number of the terms, it is equal to 25. After that you apply the formula Sn. If you apply the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket a plus L, because last term is given. So you apply the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket a plus L. En. The number of term is a 25 divide by 2. A means first term it is a 1. L means last term this is a 49. So this is equal to 25 divide by 2 into 50, because 49 plus 1 this is equal to 50. So 2 divide by 50, it is a 25. 25 5s are 625. So here is the answer S 25. This is equal to 625. So if you just wanted to find the sum, then you can apply this formula and solve these questions. I think all of you understand these questions. So you are solving these problems. For the next lecture we solving other problem. Okay, thank you, goodbye.